Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host, the Brony they call Ghost, coming back to you with a quick save before I die again, because I've made a lot of good money today by switching my insurance to Geico. They'll have to charge me for that. I'll just put it on their invisible bill. Salesman Weekly, Chivalry, Medievals, I don't know how to say that. Alright, back at Vault 3. I've just been, like, making transitions. I've been making lots of stuff. I don't think there's anything else in here that can, per se, kill me. But it's always good to... Well, okay then. Take Raider Pain. No thank... Oh, wait, wow, I think I had Vi. Serious weight, though. Hell's that? Well, ladies and gentlemen, something on my map is telling me that I need to go somewhere. And like any good little brony, I will. I'm going the wrong way? Oh, wow, nope. I'm just a retard. That's me. Huh, okay, so go down this hall, make a right. Holy shit. Alright, fixing things, pre-work book, money, toolbox, conductor, scrap metal, books, god damn it, might as well loot them, right? Mine as... Why are these filled with like conveniently amounts of valuable shit? God damn. Oh, yay. Damn it. Wow. I want all of it. Alright. Where am I going now? Well, I need to turn around to get to the... What the fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to go this way? What the hell? Look at that, guys. What the hell? Support our troops. Run by war behind whatever. Sorry. Aha. Nailed it. See, guys, I told you that's the right way to go. You guys just didn't listen to me, that's all. Alright, there's gotta be banditos down here. Yep, banditos! Da 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 da! I am just wrecking his innards. Come on. Oh, shit! Well, he wants to play like that. We'll play like this.
Blood.
Bro, you're about to have a bad day when you turn this corner, man. Guys. BAM! Your armor can't stop that. Your armor cannot stop this rustling. Hatchet. Wow, pretty good value, actually. Alright. Damn! Damn! I'm not smart. I hate this game. It makes you feel really stupid. 5 HP for 5 rads. Not fucking worth it. Alright, let's see how many more people I can piss off. Oh.
Brim has a new sheriff. That should keep the powder gangers away.
Whoa!
Oh, shit!
Of your own. Blood.
What? That guy looks like he's really old. A ripper, huh? Pop, 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 pop. It's doing nothing. The pistols, they do nothing. Oh, Jesus! Ow, 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 ow! Fuck off! Ah! Come on, I need a grenade. Oh my god, how much? Okay, I'm good on HP right now. Dynamite. Ah, shit. I don't know where I'm going. I went the wrong way. Oh, god damn it! Ah, fuck! Run! Run! Oh, shit, I hope they're following me. That's gonna... Ah! Oh. I need to heal. Oh, shit. Alright, Squirrel Stew will do my trick. I don't take drugs, even if... Stealth Boy. So Super Stim Pack, today's Physician, Weapons Repair Kit, Xander Roots. I'm going to save those for later stuff. Right away. Purified water. Please. Potato chips, poppy nuts. Potato crisps. Purified water. Why do I have two? No, I don't. Nuka-Cola noodles. Oh, fuck. Alright. I need to get out something now that will take care of these service rifle. Ow, fuck. Oh, he's got a flamethrower. Well, buddy. Bam. Hit him for Christ's sake. God damn it. Kill it. Kill it. Come. Fucking die. Ah, my torso. Ah, shit. Alright. Come on. Fucking die! Jesus Christ! Buddy! Wastelander, you're worthless! Die! For Christ's sake! Thank you. Alright. Gotta kill this at... Oh, wait, no. Biggest part is his leg, actually. Take that fucking thing out! Cripple the son of a bitch! Ow! Out of him.
You like the sight of your own blood.
Shut up. Yeah! I killed him! Haha, bitch, what you want? What you want, man? What you want? Alright. Yeah, wow. That looks actually pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Whoa!
Hi, guys. It's hard. Ah, damn it. Is there a way I can open this, though? Average. Shit. I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna pump it into you. Shoot him harder. Thank you. Down goes the outcast. Dropped his ass. I dropped the fucker with my... Oh, cool. Fine. I want to save you guys, but I don't know how. I can search it through here? Wow. I think that'd just be bad, though. How do I save you?
Hey! Yeah, you! Come give us a hand!
Oh, shit. What are you doing here?
We were part of a caravan heading into New Vegas from down south. They're holding us hostage, trying to get some ransom. Anyone willing to pay for us died in the attack. Once the fiends figured that out, we're as good as dead.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do.
Thanks, partner. I think the fiend with the key is back in one of the bedrooms somewhere.
Aha!
Someone called him Daniel, if that helps.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, tell me about the fiends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
What?! That was so chill! For a man who's being held against his, like, life, being threatened with death, that was a pretty relaxed goodbye. God, I hate these people. I mean, I love... Oh, God, those guns, thank you. I love the fact that there's just somebody happily walking in while I do the delicate process of recording my horridly annoying voice and search. What the fuck? I ain't even mad. I have no idea who this kid is. He had his flamer equipped. Don't know how you do that, but okay. Oh crap! I'm full on health. All right. You take out this. All right. So, while I would first naturally go off and sell this shit to what's his face, I'm actually gonna go and find this dude Daniel. He seems more of a heartless bastard and needs to die. Yellow Daniel. Please, 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 please. Hit something vital. Please, 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 please. Kill the fucker fast. Miss. Got him. Got him. Nothing. Oh, come on! Oh, crap! Alright. I don't even know what that meant. So I gotta find Daniel. Oh shit. You're crippled. Uh-oh. Ah, wow. I probably just need to sleep all that off. I probably should have just ran upstairs and slept, but now's not the time. Ouch. Oh, that's water. Yep, not going that way. Well, that answered that question real quick. God damn it, there's nothing valuable in these rooms. Make it count, I guess. Come on, this should be hitting like vital important shit. What's going on? Like,
Hi from me. You like
bitch, you're the one running. Weapons. I'm running out of wet ammunition here. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Millimeter pistol. Wait, where's the one with the ammunition increase? Yeah.
like the sight of your own blood?
Where'd you go? Ow! Ow! How'd you do that? Oh, you're different. Oh, that explains it. There we go. Awesome. Come on, where? Whoa, hi. What the? Ow!
The sight of your own blood.
Shut up. Your armor's condition is dangerously low. Huh, that's interesting. Oh, it's Daniel. Hi, Daniel. Ah, water. Radiation water. Ah, crap. Right. Alright, let's try this again now, Daniel. Hi. I'm your host, the brony they call Ghost. What? What are you made of? I need to heal. I need to heal. Alright, this is one of those times where a doctor's bag. That just snapped everything. Oh, shit, I'm still low on health. Okay. Aid. Water. Cola, noodles. Med X, damage resistance. No. No, I'm not going to. If I rely on it, then it's going to become an issue later on. Right away. Don't know how good I'm doing anyways. Ooh, star bottle. Awesome. Weapons. Repeater, dynamite, flamer. Hatchet, laser pistol. Come on. Alright, I just need to kill this guy. I just need to kill this guy. Come on. Damn it! It's not killing him. He's gonna... I just need to kite him. Yeah! We killed him! What you want, boy? Bottle cast, friend. Yes, frag grenade, lead pipe, nope. Vault maintenance key, alright. Whew. Did it, ladies and gentlemen. I did it. I feel like such a good person. Holy crap. Holy schmoly cannoli. Oh my, can't believe I survived that. I need like a bunch of food. I raid the entire place for food, and then it turns out I need all of it to save these guys. Alright, but it was worth it. Totally worth it. And I'm glad I did it.
Take down this password. It'll get you into the Overseer's area upstairs, I think. Thanks for the help. We'll find our own way out.
I'm so awesome. I'm so awesome. Alright, and with this, medicine. Lockpick. Get me to 50. Yeah! I can now pick the good stuff. Alright, and with that, I hope you guys have a good day, good afternoon, good night, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.